Patrick at Pals. Lexus. These are great cars. Small coupe, nimble on the road. Lester, why is this Lexus here?
No air conditioning.
No air conditioning. So folks, I just told you about the Lincoln Versailles that needs AC work. Now we've got a Lexus here that needs AC. What are we doing to this one, sir?
Doing a condenser and a compressor and expansion valve.
Okay, and a common problem with cars is the condensers go bad, don't they?
Well, they go bad because they're like a filter. The ports in those are they're like the size of a hair follicle. So it doesn't take much for something just to get in there and start plugging it up, then you don't work like you're supposed to.
And when it's 103 in the shade,
It doesn't cool.
you need AC.
Yes, we do.
If you've got a car that needs AC work, bring it to Pals. Doesn't matter whether it's a Lexus or a Lincoln. We can help you out. See you soon.